Today I'm going to show you a super quick, easy way to learn to play any major and minor chord on the piano, even if you have never played the piano before. To start, in case you don't know where your notes are, we're going to look at this as couple. If you find the two black keys and think of that as couple, C being the first letter in the word couple, there's your C. Okay? Same with few. We're going to find the three black keys. If you think of that as few, F being the first letter in the word few, there's your F. So, quick way to find C and F, and as long as you know your alphabet and you know that the musical alphabet stops with G, you would start A, B, C, D, E, F, G, starting back over at A. So once you hit G, you start back over at A, and those are just octaves of the same note. Okay? As far as sharps and flats, if you think of flat as going down, which is pretty easy, and flat, down. So let's say you have a D. D flat would be going down one key, one semitone, half step. And if you think of sharp as, you know, if you sit on a tack, something sharp that would make you jump up, you think of that as being up. So D sharp, D flat, G flat, F sharp. Sometimes you'll see it as G flat, written as G flat, and sometimes you'll see a chord written as F sharp. So it's basically the same thing. Okay, so now that we kind of have an idea of where our notes are, how to find those major and minor chords. So let's start with, say, C. Find our couple, C. And I'm starting with my thumb. I'm counting up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's say A. Starting on our A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There's our major. Let's do B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Also a major. Can find any major chord that way. For a minor chord, you would just switch that and you would count 3 and then 4. So for an A minor, we would count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, C minor, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's your C minor, okay? So it's just a good way to find chords. It's not without, you know, delving into theory too far, which you want to do at some point, but it's just a quick way to go ahead and get you playing some of your favorite songs right away. So if you have a chart that has the chords written in above either the lyrics or it just says C, it just says G. Where it says C, that's just a C major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. If it were to say G, that's just a G major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay? If it were to say minor, you would count 3 and then 4, or you would just flatten that middle note. Okay? Stokes Music Studios. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions, or let us know if you watched it and it helped. We'd love to hear from you.